guys, it's December craft time here at Crafternoon, and guess what? We're gonna make a snowman. So up at the circulation desk in our basket that's labeled Crafternoon, we're gonna grab one of these bags and we are gonna make snowman rockers. How do you say? I'm gonna teach you, okay? So inside we're gonna have a paper plate, and you're actually gonna be able to make two, and some goodies to decorate your snowman. So at home you're gonna need a paper clip or clothespin, something, glue stick or Elmer's glue, and some scissors. So let's get started. Okay, so you guys are gonna have a whole paper plate in your bag, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut it. Okay? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it like a cone so that it looks like this, and then push down a little bit. Okay, and this is where the glue action happens. So I used a glue stick. So you kind of like, I think you gotta use a lot just to kind of get it to hold down. And then this is where your clothespin or your paper clip comes in handy because it keeps it closed. Okay, so now I have part of my snowman. Okay, so, and you know what else I forgot? You need a black pen. Goodness gracious, I'm silly, huh? I'm forgetting stuff. Okay, so while it's drying, you can actually work on it if you want, or you can let it dry and come back. But I'm gonna work on this one. That's why I had it done a little early. So I wrote 2 circles for the eyes, and then I'm filling them in. Okay, I know it kind of looks like a ghost, right? Let's see if we can fix that. And then we're gonna do, I'm gonna do buttons down his belly. And I made buttons with little dots in them. You could fill them in, you could do whatever you want. Okay, so what we've added in your kits is stuff to make, like cut his nose, make him a scarf, like dress him up. You can color him all up. You can use the construction paper to decorate him, and lots of fun stuff. So anything goes. So this is just how I'm gonna do it, okay? So I'm gonna put his nose that way, like his carrot nose, right? Have you guys ever built a snowman? It's been a while since I did, last year. And then this is kind of cool for his scarf, right? So to make it more scarf looking, you can make it like a banner and just like cut the ends of it if you want. Or you can leave it square, it doesn't matter. So let's put it, so there's plenty to make a lot of decorations all you want, right? And anything goes. Here's his scarf, and I'm gonna put it right there. What do you think? Just in case he's getting a little cold, right, the snowman? Okay, now I am going to use my pen, and I am going to draw a snowman hat for my snowman, just so like I can cut it out, because I'm not so good at cutting out freehand stuff. It's called fussy cutting, right? And I have a hard time with it. So cut the hat. So you guys, you could do the hat any way you wanted. I just happen to want like a, I guess it's considered like a top hat. And then you guys could decorate it. You guys could get out your crayons and draw him a rainbow hat if you want to do that. Oops, I dropped a piece. Gotta pick that up after. And then, okay, so here is the hat, and I'm gonna glue it on the side I drew on, because Then they can't see my draw lines, right? And glue it up top. There's his hat. And then, I think just for fun, we're gonna add something on his hat. So I'm gonna cut a little tiny piece. And then, I think this might be a little too wide, so I'm gonna make it a little thinner. But what's nice is we make our own mark on our art projects, huh? Because you get creative as you want to. Here's the glue. And there is the piece of the hat. Gotta be really careful because it's not stuck yet, right? So let's see if this guy's dry. Oh, no, he's not dry. So he's going wild and crazy. Maybe you guys should put your eyes down a little lower. I put mine kind of up high, so let's do that. See if we can put that back together. Okay, I'll just leave that. So when it's dry, it will rock like this. So you can stand it up and it'll rock. See? Well, I hope you guys liked today's craft, and I will see you next week. Bye.